All right, did you see what I'm seeing here? Look at how beautiful it is. Look at this. Look at this. Let me turn one round for you. Whoa, look at this.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have a very nice and beautiful half free-range chicken with me today. This is whole chicken is approximately 2.2 kg. This is approximately 1 kg. So I keep the shape. I did not cut it because I want to steam it, and it will look much better if I steam the whole thing. All right. So actually very simple. Anything nice, you really don't need to do a lot of preparation work. First thing, I'm going to give it some Shaoxing wine. Of course, you have to wash your chicken. Okay, give it some Shaoxing wine. And a light layer of salt. Fine salt would be nice. Inside also you want to give it some salt. All right. That is ready to go into the steamer. That's how simple it is. I'm not even going to add ginger. All right, my steamer has been preheated. So I'm going to put in the chicken. And because I did not cut it, now if you cut it, you probably only need about 15 to 20 minutes. But because I did not cut it, I am going to steam it for approximately at least 25 minutes. Around 25 to 30 minutes. Okay? Because I did not cut it, so it's going to be a bit harder to be cooked. If you already cut it, sometime maybe 50, depending on the size, but sometime maybe 15 to 20 minutes already fully cooked. Okay, after steaming and for about 25 minutes, I actually let it rest inside my steamer for another 2-3 minutes before I open. Okay, so that it will allow the residual heat to continue cook through the meat. You don't have to do this if you have already cut the chicken, because my chicken is actually relatively quite thick and I never cut it. So allow the steams to release, then very carefully we will take out the chicken. Wow, so beautiful. Look at this. Can you see? All right, did you see what I'm seeing here? Look at how beautiful it is. Look at this. Look at this. Let me turn one round for you. Whoa, look at this. I'm still thinking whether I want to cut it into smaller chunks, or we just tear like eating burger chicken. Tell me what you think. Which one you think is better? All right, and then you are actually looking at a lot of chicken stock, original chicken stock, in the plate, and I'm going to garnish it with some fresh coriander around the chicken. I'm going to eat the fresh coriander later. I'm a fresh coriander person. Who else is a fresh coriander person? Type in the comment below, yeah? All right. All right, done. That's how beautiful and simple it is to cook, to steam a chicken. So if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.